Guidance refers to the advice, support, and direction provided to help individuals make informed decisions or navigate challenges. It can come from various sources, such as mentors, experts, or personal experiences, and is aimed at promoting growth, understanding, and effective problem solving. In different contexts, like education, career, or personal development, guidance helps individuals achieve their goals and overcome obstacles. Meaning, guidance refers to the process of providing advice, direction, or support to help someone make informed decisions and solve problems in their personal, academic, or professional life. It aims to assist individuals in understanding their strengths, weaknesses, and potential paths for growth. Nature of guidance. Guidance provides direction and support to help individuals make decisions. Guidance helps individuals make informed decisions by offering advice and assistance. It aims to clarify goals and identify the best paths forward. It helps people understand their objectives and choose the best course of action to achieve them. It involves offering advice based on knowledge or experience. Guidance draws on expertise or personal experience to provide insights and solutions. The process helps people overcome challenges and uncertainties. It provides tools and strategies to navigate difficulties and unclear situations. Guidance is personalized, considering the unique needs of each person. Guidance takes into account the unique circumstances, strengths, and weaknesses of each person. It encourages self-reflection to promote personal growth. It promotes introspection to help individuals grow personally and make more informed decisions. Effective guidance is often goal-oriented and focused on results. Effective guidance helps individuals set clear goals and pursue outcomes efficiently. It can be either directive, giving clear instructions, or non-directive, encouraging independent thought. It can involve giving clear instructions, directive, or encouraging in-depth. Ethical considerations ensure the advice benefits the individual in the long term, ensures the guidance is given with the individual's long-term well-being and interests in mind. Scope of guidance. The scope of guidance includes clarifying objectives, helping the individual define clear, achievable goals. It involves providing relevant information for decision-making, offering the individual the necessary knowledge to make informed decisions. Guidance supports problem-solving and overcoming obstacles, assisting the individual in finding solutions to challenges they face. It encourages personal and professional development, motivating the individual to grow and improve personally or professionally. It fosters motivation and perseverance in the face of challenges, inspiring the individual to stay determined and continue moving forward. Offering constructive feedback is also part of the scope, giving the individual helpful advice to improve skills or behaviors. Guidance helps in navigating choices and evaluating options, assisting the individual in weighing different options and understanding their consequences. It plays a role in building confidence to tackle new tasks, encouraging the individual to believe in their abilities and take on new challenges. It aids in managing transitions, whether personal or career-related, supporting the individual through life changes, like a career shift or personal milestones. Guidance addresses emotional well-being during decision-making, offering emotional support and guidance in dealing with stress or uncertainty during decision-making. Need and importance of guidance in schools. Academic support. Guidance helps students identify their strengths and weaknesses, leading to improved academic performance and personalized learning plans. Career counseling. School guidance programs provide students with information and advice about potential career paths, helping them make informed decisions about their future. Emotional and mental health. Counselors offer emotional support, helping students cope with stress, anxiety. Personal development. Guidance helps students build self-confidence, develop social skills, and make better decisions, aiding in their personal growth. Goal setting. Guidance encourages students to set realistic goals and work towards achieving them, fostering motivation and focus. Preventing dropouts. Effective guidance programs address issues that may lead to school dropout, offering support to struggling students and encouraging persistence. Preparation for future challenges. Guidance equips students with the tools and skills they need to navigate future academic, social, and career challenges.